Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the speaker off and removing any cables. This prevents shorts. Once done, peel back the rubber flap to expose charging and service ports and remove visible screws. Make sure to use a plastic pry to separate the seam gently. Excessive force snaps clips. As you lift the back panel, keep screws ordered and note connector locations so reassembly is straightforward. This sets you up to access the battery without damaging the casing or internal ribbons. Once the back is off, you'll see the PCB and the battery pack beneath. You should document connector positions with a quick photo. Next, unscrew any PCB mounts and tilt the board just enough to reach the battery connector. Don't yank ribbons. After you unplug the connector, peel away tape or foam holding the battery. Adhesive is often sticky, so work slowly to avoid puncturing the cell. This protects components and lets you remove the old pack cleanly for replacement. Place the replacement battery in the same orientation. Connect the plug firmly and secure any adhesive or cushioning. Before snapping everything closed, plug in the charger and confirm the speaker powers on and shows charging LED. This avoids repeating disassembly. Once confirmed, reseat the PCB, replace screws evenly, and press the housing together until clips engage. If the speaker doesn't power, try reseating the connector and checking for torn ribbon. If still dead, test with a known good charger and verify battery polarity and connector seating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.